For the past few months, or will I say for about 8 months or 9 months now, a lot has been going on this channel. And I know many people will be like, wait a minute, Mary and Dike, what are you doing? What are you trying to do? Welcome back to Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel. Okay, and I said it is high time for me to tell you guys and put you through what is going on this channel. And that is Mary and Dike, you all guys known, which is now Mary and Dike Multiplicity channel, is now hairstyle and nails and other trenders. Anything concerning baking is excluded. They are not all comedy. They are not again on this channel. You know, sometimes, so sorry guys for the alarm. You know, sometimes it's not what you planned is what you'll be doing. And again, sometimes YouTube will try to, you know, bring one or two things for you to look into. It's left for you to realize and give it a chance. And that's what I did here. And I realized, okay, I have to do it the way they want it to be. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe for hairstyles. I welcome you. My old OGs, please guys, I'm so sorry if you're following me because of baking or the cake ideas you're getting from me. Please, you can also follow me on this channel, Mimi Foodie. Or if you're the type that likes a healthy recipe, you can follow me on this channel. Thank you so much, and please, I don't take you guys for granted, and that's the reason I take it upon myself to come here to explain the reason and for you to know that it's now all about hairstyles and other trends you also like to watch. If you are the type that like hairstyles or nails, or maybe fashion will come in later, I don't know for now. Yeah, and nothing else. I appreciate you for always being there for me, my old OGs and the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for the years being there for me, watching the cake stalls and other things I've been doing in this channel, giving me that vibes I need to go on this channel. I really love you guys. You guys are the best. Mary and Dike will always appreciate and love you always. Thank you so much, and don't forget to always do what? Remain who you are, and go to the other of my channels, subscribe and catch clues on what I'm doing there. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. In my thoughts and every note, oh